Colleagues, I'm pleased to be speaking with you today about a topic that's at the heart of every successful professional: ethics. What's professional ethics? It's about the values and principles that guide our behavior and decisions at work. It's what builds trust and credibility with our clients, colleagues, and partners. Why does it matter? When we act with ethics, we build strong relationships and a good reputation. We are seen as reliable and responsibility, which opens door to new opportunities and helps us achieve our goals. Key principles: respect for others, keeping confidence, avoiding conflicts of interest, being fair and transparent, taking responsibility for our actions, making ethical decisions. It's not always easy, but we need to think carefully and consider our options. We need to identify the issue, gather information, and make a decision that's fair and responsible. The risks of unethical behavior: if we don't act with ethics, it can damage our reputation, cost us money, and even lead to legal trouble. It can also hurt our relationships and our business. Best practice: set clear expectations, lead by example, encourage open communication, provide training and support, recognize and reward good behavior. Conclusion: professional ethics is not just a nice to have, it's must have. Let's commit to doing the right thing even when it's hard. Together we can build a workplace culture that's built on trust, respect, and integrity. Thanks. Until another chance.